Hello friends, my name is Parag. Today's topic is how to prevent host attack in Drupal 8. In our last video, I have replicated host attack for Drupal 8. So basically, when we are configuring dynamic $page URL, at that time it is creating these tricky situations. For preventing this, we can configure $page URL in our setting.php file, but this solution is not workable for multi-site. We can also configure at server level, like if there will be any untrustable domain request appear, then we just need to display error message. There are two virtual hosts created like this. Now I am just declaring this first development as our trustable host. So for that, there is trustable host pattern available, right? So I am just declaring this as a trustable. Now whenever I am just accessing this with untrustable domain, then it is just displaying this invalid server. Now I am just trying to replicate again the same problem. So for that, just start intercept on and just click on submit. It is just displaying that this is invalid server, and user is also not receiving the mail from the second.deployment URL, and it is also not redirecting to untrustable host. Thanks for watching video.